And once I've done this, then I'm going to do the assembly drawing. So this is going to be the drawing from design, full assembly. Okay. And then just wait a couple of seconds, then place it. And then you can, change the scale. That's pretty good. Actually, 1.5 and close. And so now I have the front view, and then I'm going to get the projected view there, and then this other one over here. And then we're going to just include, as we discussed in the class, for now, just 3 views there. And then we have 3 views there. You can organize and bring them down. And bring this one down and that one to the corner. Okay, and then once you have this, then you're gonna start adding the dimensions. So let's save it before we add dimensions. Save, classes drawing, and then I go assembly, and then save. And then I will start making my drawings. So adding dimensions. So okay, dimension, auto dimension. So oh, this is a new feature. This is nice. So bottom left for symmetric dimensions. And I will reduce it, yeah, to 5 of 7. And then you can also add your own dimensions. So you can go, okay, how far from this point to this point, and then click. And then you can also say, how big is this from here to here? And then how big it is that block from here to here. Yeah, and so you can add your own dimensions, and you can also have preset dimensions, which is a new feature, and I absolutely love this. Fantastic. Okay, so as you can see, you can get a title block. So we're gonna save it, and okay. Let's see if we bring in a table, and it's going to give us a parts list. So I'm going to just bring the table with the parts list at the top here. Actually, let's put it at the bottom here. Because I didn't create components, this is just going to bring the glasses like that. So I'm going to save this document like this, and I'm going to save it. And you will see what happens when I change my objects to components. And by the way, you do this at the very end of your assembly when you are completely happy with what you have. So now we're gonna select all of these, right click, and then create components from bodies, and that's automatically going to create the components from these bodies. And I'm going to save this and okay. And then when I open my assembly, it's going to have this, warning saying it's referenced in another version. Click to update the drawing. So that will click there, and it's going to update the drawing. It's going to now show me in the parts list all the different pieces. Because I didn't use, I didn't import the pieces separately or make them as a pattern. It's going to count each piece as an individual. So it should have said, pin 2 pins, the quantities 2 pins, and the legs quantities 2 legs, and the frame quantities 1 leg. But because I created individual components of each, it's going to count every single piece as a component. Now on this, you go associate, and then you go back and go, yes, it's from here to here, and then it will update. But the cool thing is that it will create these bubbles indicating all the parts on your assembly, on your isometric projection. And you can also render your isometric projection. So if you double click on your isometric projection, you will get again the drawing view dialog, and then you can go shaded, and then it will show you your isometric projection of your object with the colors or textures that you assign to it. I'm going to close that, and then you can go ahead and associate those again. Or if you are happy to have that as it is, then you're going to go again and export this as a PDF. All sheets, okay, continue. It will give you a warning, these are not associated. You can click save the project on the cloud and also save on your computer, and then make sure that it is in the correct project, and then there you go. So once that PDF is exported, then you can go here and view it, and this is the result. So all those warnings for these associated dimensions do not come through the exporter. So you don't really need to go back and associate everything. Okay? All right, this is it. That's the end of this project.